Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a burnt Basque cheesecake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to start by preparing your cake tin. So to do that, grab yourself a larger baking tin and place your round cake tin into it. Then go ahead and place in and press into place your parchment paper. 2 to 3 squares or sheets will work well. Then set aside until needed later on. Grab yourself a mixing bowl and go ahead and place in all of your ingredients and just mix them until they are fully combined. You're not looking for anything in particular, just for everything to be fully combined with no traces of a single ingredient. You can use a food processor or a stand mixer for this, but I found doing it by hand works just as well. So feel free to do it whichever way works best for you. There's no right or wrong. As long as you don't over mix, this will affect the end consistency and that's not what you're looking to do. So once you have a smooth mixture, you can then go ahead and just give it a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. Then grab your tin and tray that you prepared earlier on and pour the cheesecake mixture directly into the lined tin, getting as much in there as possible without making a mess like I did. And yes, it will come up quite high up the tin and that's what you're looking for it to do. It will rise above, but then as it cools down, it will sink down and that's what you're looking for. You can then go ahead and place this into your preheated oven and bake it off. All that information will be on the blog post, which will be linked down below. So once your cheesecake has baked and been allowed to cool fully, I like to place mine into the fridge for at least an hour, and this just helps to firm up the mixture so it's easy to cut into. As you can see, removing the parchment paper can be a little bit difficult, and you may lose a little bit, but don't worry, you can always eat that. As you can see, this little bit fell off on the left hand side. Just remove the paper as gently and carefully as you possibly can, and you should have something that looks very much burnt, but that's the whole point of this recipe. If you don't leave it to cool, when it comes to slicing it like now, you will have a difficult time, and it may even be raw and not even be able to be sliced properly. You can cut this into as many or as few pieces as you like. I went with 8 portions as that's what I feel is generous, but unlike a New York style cheesecake, this is much lighter. Although it doesn't look it, it is much lighter. It's very rich, so a small portion will go a long way. And that's because of all the eggs and the cream that we added into the mixture. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and give me a follow over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.